Pampers sensitive baby wipes. They're nice and soft. They do a good job of helping to clean him up. We haven't had any issues with them tearing apart.
They're super stretchy, absolutely thick. Look at that. You like it? Oh yeah, it's as strong as you are, big guy.
So you can fold them, clean, fold them again, clean, keep folding, and get a really good clean from them.
It's thicker than most, so it's real easy to just do those heavy duty jobs. Perfume free and hypoallergenic, so that's something that's kind of important to our family.
Pampers sensitive baby wipes.